little mice, so round and sweet, tiny feet and dancing beat. They were munching, full of cheer, when a cat peeked in from near. She said, "May I come and play?" But the mice just ran away. "No, no, auntie, you can't stay. You'll bite our tails, we won't stay. We won't come near, we'll run away. We won't come near, we'll run away." Two little mice, so small and bright, drinking milk with all their might. The cat saw them with a smile so wide and said, "Let me come inside." But the mice said loud and clear, "No, no, auntie, don't come near. You'll hurt us both, we'll be your prey. So we better run away. We won't come near, we'll run away. We won't come near, we'll run away." Two little mice, so soft and shy, playing games and jumping high. The cat came close with hopeful eyes, but again she got a big surprise. "No, no, auntie, please don't peek. You'll scare us with your sneaky sneak. You'll bite our tails, that's not okay. So we better run away. We won't come near, we'll run away. We won't come near, we'll run away. But the cat said, "Sorry, friends, I want to make amends." Now they all play joyfully, singing, dancing happily. Now we play and laugh all day. With our cat we jump and sway.